and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be preparing a delicious chicken piccata. And yes guys, it's an easy recipe. If you're new here, my name is Rosangel. I love food, wine, entertaining, and this kitchen has only but good vibes. So I'm going to be preparing this chicken piccata with some jasmine rice. Listen guys, we love some jasmine rice here in this house, okay? You can pair this with pasta, you can pair it with a salad, whatever you fancy. So let me show you guys the ingredients. So we have some red onions, of course, we have red onions. We have some lemon, some sliced lemon. And then I have half a lemon here for the juices, okay? We have some capers. We have some bell pepper flakes right here. And we have some sliced garlic. I think I have about 5 or 6 cloves of garlic. We're gonna need some butter, some salt, some pepper, black pepper that is, guys, some oil, and some wine, white wine. Any table wine will do, okay? And of course, I am going to garnish my delicious chicken piccata with some Italian parsley. Not necessary, guys. That's just so it looks pretty. Presentation is key. So let's get going. Guys, I have 4 pieces of chicken breast. And what I did is I cut them in half. And you can use a meat pounder, or you can do like I did. I use a skillet. This is how I like it. And it's really up to you. I know people who like it real thin, but this is perfect for me. And I have about 6 pieces here. I am not going to bread this chicken. Go ahead if you want to do that, but I'm going to skip that process, okay? All this needs is some salt and pepper, and that's it. There's no marinating here, okay? So I got my little skillet here, and I have it at a medium-high heat because we don't want to overcook the chicken either, okay? Remember, this is breast, and they have to be nice and juicy. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the seasoning. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. Using some crushed pepper right here, guys. You can use any table pepper, but I like the crushed pepper instead. I think it's perfect. Now guys, this is perfection right here. Let's get these in our skillet. And guys, this is a medium heat, okay? We are gonna cook this 3 minutes on each side, depends on your stove, okay? Could be 2.5 to 3 minutes. We don't wanna overcook this. It's not gonna be nice if we do that. So oil, whatever you fancy, okay? I am doing canola oil. If you wanna do olive oil, perfect. You want to do coconut oil? Coconut oil. Go right ahead. It's a Latin, guys. Let's do this. I think it's good enough. You want to make sure it's really hot, guys. Now, we have to be patient. Oh yeah, this is perfect. We have to be patient because I am going to actually squeeze in 3 pieces. And time it, guys. Please time it. Do not overcook the chicken. We'll be patient. Just enjoy a glass of wine while you wait. So I'm here fighting with my camera guy. I don't want to do what I'm telling you guys what not to do. Do not overcook it. So we need to turn these around. Disclaimer, guys, my stove totally different. I did 3.5, okay? And I believe it's because mine are thicker, guys, okay? So make sure you cook accordingly. Look how pretty this looks, guys. We are almost done, guys. 3.5 minutes to go. Perfect. The last one standing. Now, guys, we are gonna put this in a low temperature, guys. And we are gonna use all this deliciousness you see here. Look at this. This is perfect. All these chicken crumbs. We're gonna go ahead and add half of the butter first. We're gonna leave the other for the end, guys. So let's do this. I don't know about you guys, but I love butter. I think everything tastes better with butter. It's perfect, perfect. And again, you don't want to burn the butter, guys. That's like a major no-no. Don't like the color. It gets like really ugly. And not only that, but it's not a nice taste, guys. Okay? So be very mindful. I think this is perfect. Perfect, perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with my onions first. And of course, yes, guys, I have red onions. You guys know me. It's my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and just crank it up a little bit. Not much, guys. We don't want to burn those onions either. I think this is perfect. And the key with this dish is, guys, just be patient. It's gonna be worth it. Ooh, perfect, guys. The wine. Let's do the garlic, guys. Same here with the garlic, guys. We don't want to burn this garlic. Major no-no. And guys, here's a little secret. I'm gonna have to take another shower. I smell like garlic, I smell like onion, and it stays in my hair. Look how pretty this looks. Now guys, this is what you want. Look how pretty it looks. Everything is nice and caramelized. I'm gonna go ahead and add the capers. Here's a disclaimer. We don't care for capers here in the house, so I only did a tablespoon, so it's up to you. It gives it a nice taste, I think. Okay, so we are doing capers. Chicken piccata without capers is not a chicken piccata. That's the way I see it. You know, capers, they're like midget olives. I mean, that's how I see it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do the lemon slice, guys. This is gonna really bring this chicken piccata to the next level. So nice. I'm gonna put this here, and I think it's time to add the 1 cup of white wine. We'll give it a little temperature here. This is what we want. And I don't know how you guys like the heat, but we do like some heat around the house. We're gonna go ahead and do about 2 dashes. I think this is perfect. And again, we have to be patient because the butter and the oil is gonna thicken this sauce. Okay, so let's be patient. Just keep an eye. So this is perfect, but guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the other half of the butter. And this is key right here, guys. Patience, patience, patience. And guys, this is the time to add some salt and pepper and season to taste. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. I can't wait. And guys, again, we're having this with rice. You can do this with pasta, a side salad, whatever you fancy. I think this is perfect. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go ahead and give it the next 3 more minutes, and I think we're ready to roll. So go ahead and clear up, guys, because this is almost ready. I can't wait to show you guys how beautiful this chicken piccata is gonna look, and not only look, guys, it's gonna taste. Now guys, this is the consistency we want. Perfect. Look how nice and buttery. The garlic, the capers, the lemon slice, onions. It smells so good. Ooh, this is gonna be delicious, guys. So delicious. So, this is all we have to do. Look how pretty. Beautiful. Ooh. And guys, I am definitely gonna do some more lemon. Just to finish it off. And guess what? Ah, little pepper. Little spice. It smells so good, guys. And of course, the garnishing. This is a great meal to prepare for your family. Half an hour, guys, just half an hour. You want to impress your guests? This is it, guys. This is it. Guys, thank you for watching. Sure hope you enjoyed this recipe. Come back again. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. Bye-bye.